Chris was struggling to manage the traffic noise outside of his home studio that was getting in the way of his audiobook narration. After a long search, Chris contacted us about our SPB33 new model 2018 Soundproof booth. He wanted to purchase it to record audiobooks, but he wasn't sure if it's going to work because the traffic noise was so strong outside. And he opted for try before you buy option. And that's where we rented the booth for 1 week. And if he liked it, he would keep it. And if he thought, he would just send it back. He also purchased some additional blankets and window covers to further mitigate the noise. And apparently it worked very well for him. And this is his story.
So this is the corner on which I live. You can hear it's pretty loud. There's a school exiting nearby, or a pretty major intersection right there. So now we're gonna head upstairs to the sound treated room. Did a lot of research trying to find a way for me to be able to work in my apartment for audiobooks. Here's the mailman delivering mail. I wasn't sure that anything was going to be able to take care of the noise that I was dealing with. But I ordered a number of sound dampening curtains, tall sort, and pride and joy, sound booth. This is the new model. Got a chair, a mic, and everything I need. And when I step in here, I'm a solo operation, so I do all this myself. I'm holding the camera and zipping up. It's trickier than I thought. Much better. Can't recommend this stuff enough. Solid prices, outstanding equipment, and it lets me work. What more can you ask for?